Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to everyone. My name is Mohammed Jalal and today I am going to elaborate you with an emerging technology that is called brain computer interface. So a brain computer interface is a technology which allows human to control a computer or other electronic devices with the help of thoughts. It does so by using electrodes to detect electric signals in a brain which are sent to the computer. This computer then translate these electric signals into data which is used to control further other computers or other electronic devices linked to the computers. So here a question arises that how brain turn thoughts into signals. As you know that brain is full of neurons. These neurons are connected to each other with the help of axons and dendrites. Your your neuron connect to each other to form a superhighway for nerve impulses to travel from neuron to neuron to produce thoughts, hearing, speech or movement, etc. For example, if you have an itch and you reach to scratch it, it means that you receive a stimulus as an itch and you reached in response to the stimulus by scratching it. The electric signal that generate the thought and action travel at a rate of about 250 feet per second or faster in some cases. So there are three types of brain computer interface, that is invasive, partial invasive and non-invasive. So invasive brain computer interface. Invasive brain computer interface are implanted directly into the gray matter of the brain by neurosurgery. As they rest in gray matter, invasive devices produce the highest quality of signals of brain-computer interface devices, but are prone to scar tissue buildup, causing the signals to become weaker or even lost as the body reacts to a foreign object in the brain. Partially invasive is another brain signal reading process which is applied to the inside of skull but outside the gray matter. An electrocorticograph records the activity of brain inside the skull but from the surface of the membrane that protect it. An electrograde is being implanted by surgical incision. Non-invasive. It is the most useful neuron signal imaging method which is applied to the outside of the skull, just applied on the scalp. There are three different techniques used in non-invasive brain-computer interfaces. The first one is electroencephalography, the second one is magnetoencephalography, and the third one is functional magnetic resonance imaging. There are different applications of brain-computer interfaces. These are widely useful for disabled peoples. For example, like it provides disabled people with communication, environmental control, and movement restoration. It provides enhanced control of devices such as wheelchair, vehicles, or assistance robots for people with disabilities. It provides additional channel of control in gaming, in computer games. It monitor attention of long distance drivers or aircraft pilot and send out alert warning for aircraft pilots. It also controls robots that function in dangerous or inhospitable environments, like for example in underwater or in extreme heat and cold environment. It also creates a feedback loop to enhance the benefit of certain therapeutic methods. It develops passive devices for monitoring functions such as monitoring long-term drug effect, evaluating psychological state, etc. So these are the few applications that I have described. So this was a little overview of brain computer interface, and thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.